In this video, we will learn how to create a QR code for Google Form step by step. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your browser and search for Google Forms. Then open the Google Form website and sign in using your Gmail account. Here you can click on blank form to create a new form. We have already created a form, so I will open it. Now, here you need to click on Publish. Next, make sure that you set responders to anyone with the link, then click Publish. Now, it's time to copy the link of this form. To copy the link, click on this icon. Then, it will allow you to shorten URL, which is recommended. Then click Copy. Now head over to New tab and search for qrgenerator.org. It's a free tool to generate QR codes. You can generate static and dynamic QR codes. For dynamic QR codes, you can track number of scans and you can update the QR later. But for this video, we will create a static QR code. Click on the link option, then paste the Google Form link here. A QR code will be generated automatically. You can customize it with colors, designs, logo, frames, and more, but we will keep it simple. Simply click on Save. Then download in your desired format such as PNG, SVG, or PDF. We will download in PNG. Our QR code is now ready. Let's test this QR code. Now on your phone, open the QR scanner app. Then point it toward this QR. You can see it has scanned a QR and we can see the form. So anyone who scans the QR will be able to submit the form. So anyone with the link can open the Google Form, fill it up and submit it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more. It's that easy.